Today we're diving into the heart of Europe, uncovering the gems you simply can't miss on your next European adventure. From charming cobblestone streets to stunning views, Europe has it all. So, let's jump right in and explore the 5 things you never should miss in Europe. 1. Breathtaking landscapes. Picture this: rolling hills, lush vineyards, and snow-capped mountains. Europe boasts some of the most stunning landscapes in the world. Whether you're hiking through the Swiss Alps or cruising along the Amalfi Coast, be sure to soak in the natural beauty that Europe has to offer. It's not just a feast for the eyes, but for the soul, too. 2. Rich history and culture. Europe is a living museum, steeped in centuries of history and culture. From the majestic castles of Scotland to the ancient ruins of Rome, every corner tells a story. Don't miss out on immersing yourself in the vibrant tapestry of European heritage. Let the echoes of the past guide you through the cobblestone streets as you unravel the mysteries of bygone eras. 3. Culinary delights. The taste of Europe. From creamy gelato in Italy to savory tapas in Spain, European cuisine is a gastronomic delight. Indulge your taste buds in a culinary journey like no other. Don't forget to savor the local flavors and delicacies that each region has to offer. After all, food is not just sustenance, it's an experience to be savored and shared. 4. Architectural marvels. Europe is a treasure trove of architectural wonders, where ancient marvels stand side by side with modern masterpieces. Marvel at the grandeur of the Eiffel Tower in Paris or the intricate detail of the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. 5. Quaint villages and towns. Away from the bustling cities lie Europe's hidden gems. Quaint villages and charming towns that seem frozen in time. Lose yourself in the narrow alleyways of Bruges or wander through the fairy tale-like villages of the Swiss countryside. These are the 5 things you shouldn't miss in Europe. Europe has something for everyone: foodies, history buffs, and wanderers. Waiting for what? Start planning your European vacation today. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and ideas. Until next time, travel wisely.